participants build a dining room chair in the dark with small screws and an Allen key. You can help each other, but you cannot hinder another team by taking their screws or punching people or shoving people. We have to stay in our own area. If we build all of our chairs first, everybody wins their chair. We're gonna cheer for you, but we can't go too far because last year we made a U Ottawa student cry, and that's not how we do things. So we'll keep it honest, play fair, and win.